Welcome to the Starbright simulation. In part 1 of this simulation, you'll investigate how two factors affect the apparent brightness of a light source, the intensity of the light source, and the distance between the observer and the source. In part 2, you'll see how the color of a star is related to the star's temperature. Select the Part 1 button to begin. In the testing area, choose one of the three light sources, A, B, or C. Next, select the various distances between the source and the light detector. Note the apparent brightness on the light meter. FC stands for foot candle and is a measure of the intensity of the light over a 1 square foot surface area. After testing one light source at all 6 distances, select the next source and repeat the testing procedure until you test all 3 sources at the various 6 distances. Observe the source's apparent brightness in the display area by selecting the various distances. The FC value appears below each light source. Once you complete your testing and observation of the current light sources, either select the New Light Set button to test a different group of light sources, or the Main Menu button to move to Part 2 of this simulation. Select the Part 2 button. Note the name of the current star displayed in the middle of the screen. Select and drag the temperature measuring device to compare, and note the color of the star with the color temperature scale to find the star's surface temperature. Choose the forward arrow to move to the next star, or the back arrow to view the previous star. Observe and measure the temperatures of all 10 stars in the set.